What's up, buds? It is Fly High FPV, and I am super stoked to tell you about this one. This is in my backyard at Sloss Furnaces, the Sloss Drone Derby Meetup, Birmingham, Alabama on Saturday, April 6th. Come out and freestyle the furnaces with us. I've been dreaming about this spot for years. I've flown it from over the fences from the brewery across the street before, and we're gonna get all up inside of it. Come on out and fly with us. We want all the freestyle pilots to come on. We're gonna set up a full race course out front. So if you wanna get your chance to bang some gates, we'll have them for you. But you know, I'm excited about them stacks. Come on out, play with us. It's Sloss Furnaces. I'm gonna have the full shop set up. We're gonna have some prizes to give away. And I wanna see everybody come on out to Birmingham. Heck, while you're here in Birmingham, you better come fly Caraway Hospital. It ain't gonna be around for long. Super stoked to announce this though, boys. Hope to see everybody out here soon. It's only 3 weeks away. We'll have tickets for sale as quickly as we possibly can. Stay tuned for some details, and I'll see everybody at the stacks.